actually. It's really nice. Kind of forward here.
Yeah. Our signs just came in. Our signs for our emergency roadside truck and our sign to the shop to put out. It's the Prince.
It's kind of small.
That was the size I thought you wanted. We can get bigger ones next time.
We will. I mean, these are good enough for now. Fuck.
Yup, good enough for now. Exciting.
Uh-oh.
What's that? A sample holiday card. In case you want to send out holiday cards to your clients. I probably will do something like that to our customers.
Grady's automotive. You
Yeah,
should do it.
I will. It's the ones that I'm like super excited about. I'm gonna record you, put them on the truck.
Did they come with things, sticks?
What you mean? I don't know. They might be in there if they did. I don't know. That's a good question. Yeah, good job. I'll put a sign. They didn't come with it. Oh well, we'll get on. The magnetic sign. Let's go put it on the truck. 24/7 fleet service. So put them on the truck. That is huge. Just a little too big. Scoot it over a little bit towards the handle, babe. Wow, that looks nice. There we go. Perfecto. Wow. That's exciting.
I have to cut it out. The HDs.
Huh?
I have to cut a couple spots out.
Oh, for real? That's fine.
On your door, it's probably going to be perfect.
Yeah.
On mine, I could put it back there, though. I'm on the door, though.
I like it on the door better because people pay attention once to the door.
Probably should switch the sizes. That size for the door,
Right?
and that size for the sign.
Let's do that one. Oh, I'll do that one. Okay, put it.
What you got there?
The other one. I think it's going to be the same problem. It's a strong magnet.
Ain't it?
Yeah, same. Got the cut. So guys, this is our fleet truck for we do emergency roadside calls 24/7 commercial and fleet services. You want to tell them a little bit about the week, babe, since we already here?
Last week is done and over with. Last week was fucking crazy. Excuse my language, but goddamn.
I'll censor it.
Fuck.
Where to begin?
My wife's sitting here like, damn, she gotta censor this whole fucking video, but I showed you all my employee last time. The guy said he wanted a chance, and I gave him a chance and a few chances. You know, some people say something they don't mean. You know, long story short, I'm not gonna get into it. I had to fire him. Had to let him go. I hate the word fire. Had to let him go. Can't save everybody. So people ain't ready until they're ready, and when they really mean it, not when they just want to make a couple bucks. The good part about that, I got another guy, hard worker. Seems like the other one seemed like a hard worker too.
So we'll see.
So we will see. Not all of them are wins. Just remember that. Not all weeks are wins. Not all days are going to be wins and videos. I mean, man, work. Sorry, bro. You got next to that.
That's right.
Like, I'm gonna show you all in my video, man. I'm gonna be honest, man. I'm gonna be real. You know, I hate when people say they're gonna be real. That means they're fucking lying, you know. But I mean, it does.
He's gonna
It's not when
see-
anybody says, "Hey, I'm being real," means you're fucking lying. So,
Just gotta show it like it is, basically, I guess.
so in these videos, I'm gonna keep showing y'all business, man. Important lesson for everybody, especially if you're gonna open up a garage, especially if you're gonna open up a shop. Make sure you register with your state, okay?
In the
Make
beginning.
sure. Don't just try to save that money. Spend that money, man. I don't care how much it is, 150, 200, 250, 500. Spend that money and register your business, okay? Because it's going to save you. This weekend it saved me, you know? I had a customer, and he was one of my fleet customers, man. He tried to come in here and take his truck out. You know, I knew something was off. Been off with them for a week or so. Their business has been doing really bad. They made a couple wrong choices in their business, you know, and it's been bad. So, yeah, register your business. They tried to steal their truck and they couldn't. They couldn't because cops came and it was registered business. They can't take it. Josh, come here. But registered business, they can't take it. All that stuff. Like my signs.
The magnet?
Yeah, just a magnet. But it's just a magnet. It works though, right? Advertising. Probably gonna have to cut it out right here. Is what it is.
Do you slap it? Does it fit on the back?
It probably fits on the back. I might slide it to the back.
Yeah, you might have to.
Huh?
Might have to.
But I'll finish the video in a little bit.
Okay.